Welcome back to a quick update. First time ever washing the car with soft water. It's quite the experience. I'm actually quite impressed with how it actually foamed the bubbles. That's never happened. I'm on extremely hard well water, so this was quite the experience. Tires have a little bit of shine on them. I'm a sucker for the tire shine. So I tossed it on her. Oh, that ACS Composites crown spoiler. Deck lid plus wickers. I have dubbed it the crown spoiler. From this angle here, right head on the back, it almost looks like a Crusaders helmet with the crown on top. So it's my crown spoiler. Everything's got to have a name, so why not? Car is going in tomorrow, so I thought rather than take it down to the dealership being filthy and disgusting and being a little bit embarrassed about it, I'd spend a few minutes, clean it up, transmission flush, diff flush, door sills, and the Camaro engine covers should be all sorted out within the next 2 days, and then we will go from there to see if it actually worked and see if it is worth its weight, or if GM's just still got to figure it out and keep fixing my damn car. My 3-year or 60,000 kilometer bumper to bumper warranty runs out soon. Another 2 months or 1,800 kilometers. So I got to get it in, and I got to get a few of those small things sorted out before I'm unable. But I don't know, it looks pretty good for just a quick wash. Look at that, tucked into the trees like a savage. Ugh, so good, love it. That's it. Car's going in, should be back soon. I will update you guys when it's back. Drive safe, take care, behave as always.